Hi guys, thanks for joining us today. And make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm going to show you what we made this week. And this is a Disney Serene theme house. So you see it has all of the carrots on front and a light inside and the castle on top and like a little bridge on the bottom. And this is equal the Christmas theme. The colors are green, red, white, and brown. And this is also the grand Zack skeleton like combined. And this is Annabella, purple color, as you can see. It's pretty cool, how the A looks. And this is Ariella, color pink, as you can see. That's the color with the white Disney theme, and yeah. And this is pink color to name Aurora, and yeah. And this is the Home Disney, pretty cool and pretty nice. Colors are red and white, and yeah. And this is Haley from 1 to 2. The colors are red, white, black, green, yellow. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, I'm just letting you see it. And it's pretty cool. Okay, and that we made this week. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and comment. And we're out, boys.